Hey, what's up, guys? It's your girl NeyahNecole, and I am back with another video. Okay, so I did a look a couple days ago for a mini photo shoot to post on Instagram, and Instagram loved it. Here's a photo. So I'm going to recreate that look today for you guys because y'all asked for a video on the gram. Of course, I used my James Morphe palette. That's the only palette I used. So yeah, I hope you guys like this. If you don't follow me on the gram, go follow me on the gram at NeyahNecole. Okay? Follow me. And if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I feel like y'all be liking my videos, but y'all not subscribing. Why aren't you subscribing? Let me know down below why you're not subscribed or what'll make you subscribe. You feel me? Come join the family. But as you can see, face is already done. Base is done. Brows are done. My face, pretty much, I just got to add blush and highlight. Is done. So yeah, so let's get into this tutorial. I'm going to try my absolute best to do it as close as possible to the look that I previously did. But again, I can't guarantee that because, you know, an artist can't paint the same picture twice. But we're going to get into it. So if you like it, show me some love. Here we go. Alright, so I know y'all gonna kind of have an attitude about me speeding this whole tutorial up, but it was just gonna be too long and boring if I didn't. So I'm gonna start off with the main color of this look, which is red. The red in the James Morphe palette is the main color I'm starting with, and literally just pack it on. I've kind of learned the technique to this palette, so this is how we're gonna get started. Now you're gonna take a clean blending brush and just brush out those edges. Now I'm going in with an orange close to the red in the James Morphe palette, and I'm gonna blend out those edges. Blend, 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 sis. But you don't want to blend the red too much to where it's no longer standing out. So then, just go back in with that red color and blend with it. The orange will eventually look red as you're blending, which is totally fine. You just are blending those edges out with the orange, so it's not a huge difference because I didn't want the orange to stand out to begin with. So just pack and blend, baby. Pack and blend. As you see, I'm going back in with some red and I'm just packing her on. Oop, you see me checking myself out? Y'all know how I do. Just pack on that red, guys, so it will be intense. Now I'm adding black just to add a little dimension to the eye. And then I'm going back in with the red and I'm blending those edges out. That's all you gotta do. Like, when I tell you I use very minimum colors to get this whole look, but it's still kind of complex. So me cutting my crease, I did in real time because lately I haven't been doing the old Nicole Guerrero where I put it on my lid and then look up. I haven't been doing that technique lately. I've actually been taking my actual time to carve out my crease. So this is real time, me carving out my crease, how long it takes and the steps that I do. So just pay attention and again, take your time. Okay, so now that my crease is done, I'm going back in with that red and I'm blending out the edges. But this also adds a little different dimension because the fresh P. Louise base will make it stand out a little bit more. So, yeah. Now I'm taking a really small, it's like an eyeliner brush, and I put that red on there. And I'm just going around the P. Louise base where I carved out my crease, and I'm just intensifying it. For the shimmer colors that I used on my lid, I went in with 2 colors. I started off with a darker one, then I go in the inner corner with a lighter one. Now I'm using my NYX liquid eyeliner. Y'all know no Nia look is complete without a NYX eyeliner, okay? You know I gotta have my wing. Like, it's never complete without it. So, the lashes that I'm going to be using today are these. I wore them when I did the look on Instagram. These are from Lash Lullababies. Little babies. I don't really know, but she based out of the Bay, so shout out to you, boo. These are in February Flirt. They're beautiful. I also have No Angel that I wear every day, and then I have some very dramatic ones, but they're in my other room. Some super dramatic ones, and they're so beautiful. So yeah, shout out to her. I just want to give her a shout out and some love because I really love your lashes, girl. So, call me, let's work, sis. Period. So I don't know what was going on with my other eye, but as you can see, a tear is dropping as I'm putting on my other lash. But it's okay because, you know, your girl fixes it in the end. But yeah, these are the lashes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I know you guys haven't seen me in a while. I miss you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you sooner than later. Alright guys, so this is my final look. Don't you see why Instagram was so obsessed with this look the day I posted it? Yeah, I would be too, sis. Don't fret. Your girl is here to teach you. Period. I'm so tired of me saying that. Anyways, I hope you guys like this look. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is feeling herself, okay? I love neon and bright colors. As you can tell, my hair is bright as hell. But I love, like, just bright colors. They just do something to me. Sis, and then when your face is this beat, like, what are you to do, baby girl? Anyways, if you like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thanks for always supporting me and showing your girl some love. I'll see you guys in my next video. Ta-ta!